Hi everyone, welcome back to another Boxycharm unboxing. So the theme for this month of June is the Oasis. So the first item, oh my gosh, I was really not expecting this. This is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner, and this is the foamy and face wash, and it retails for $24. The packaging is really nice, and I'm just gonna shake this real quick and show you in the back of my hand. I'm just gonna apply 2 pumps in here so I can show you what the texture looks like. So it is very foamy, and a little bit goes a long way, I can tell you that. And the scent, it really smells quite nice. So again, this is the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner. Next in the box, I have the Geller Multitasking Eye Lip Cheek Palette. So this is a cream to powder trio. The first shade is Tuscan Coral, then Coconut Grove, then Gold Dust. And I'm gonna start off by applying Coconut Grove on my eyelids. Next, I'm using Gold Dust, and I'm just going to apply it on my inner corners. Now the texture, once you touch it, it really feels like cream, but once you apply it on your face, well, I'm applying it right now on my eyes, and it feels like powder. So next is the Lilly Lashes Triple X Mascara. This is in the shade Black, and this is what the one looks like. I'm just going to apply a few coats on my lashes to achieve the desired length. Whoa, yeah, this mascara is quite nice. I'm gonna apply more coats, and I'm going to be applying it on my bottom lashes. Next, I'm going back to Coconut Grove, and I'm just going to contour the face. Now I'm applying Gold Dust on my cheekbones. Now going back to Tuscan Coral, I'm just going to highlight my face. This is a really nice palette here. You can use it, as you can see, anywhere on the face. I'm quite happy with this little palette. Okay, next in the box is the Cap Cosmetics. This is the Lip Duo shade in Charming, and it retails for $40. So you get this lip liner and a liquid lipstick. And I'm just going to, of course, apply it on the lips. This brand is from Kim Zolciak. You might know her from The Housewives of Atlanta and Don't Be Tardy for the Party also. Last item on the box is the Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray, and it retails for $32. I was super excited also when I saw this in my June box, because I ran out of setting spray, so I'm glad now I have a full size one. So I'm just gonna spread some on the face to finish off this simple, easy look that I created with all the items that I got in the box. What do you guys think about all the items that I got in my June box? Let me know in the comment section down below. So here's all the 5 items that I got. Once again, super happy with all of them. Thanks so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on my next one. Besitos.